Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph, and today we're gonna unbox and take a closer look at the pre-order package of the Samsung Galaxy A50s. So this episode is very special because we're recording this one using the Samsung Galaxy Note10 Plus, and we're also gonna edit this one using Power Director on the Galaxy Note10 Plus. So anyway, we got here the Galaxy A50s. So what's so special about it? Well, it's the newest mid-range smartphone from Samsung, and it's the updated version of the Galaxy A50, and now it comes with a new geometric pattern back, and of course a brand new camera. So what can we expect from this smartphone? Well, we got here an Exynos 9611 octa-core processor, 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage, 48 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel live focus camera, and a 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. We also got here a 32 megapixel selfie camera, LTE, Wi-Fi, Dolby Atmos, on-screen fingerprint scanner, fast charging, USB-C, 4000 mAh of battery, and it's running on Android 9 Pie with One UI. So yes, this one is pretty exciting, and it comes to the Galaxy Fit E. Again, if you just pre-order the smartphone, you can get the Galaxy Fit E, and of course the Galaxy A50s. So what are we waiting for? So let's unbox and let's take a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy A50s. So time to unbox the Samsung Galaxy A50s. So first, we got here the Samsung Galaxy Fit E. Then we got here the Samsung Galaxy A50s. So let's check out the Samsung Galaxy Fit E first. So there we go. This is the Samsung Galaxy Fit E. As you can see here, it's a really nice and small smart band. It doesn't have a color display, so if you want the color display, you could go for the Samsung Galaxy Fit. But this one completes the ecosystem for your Galaxy smartphone. Of course, it comes with this charger, so it's a proprietary charger. You need to charge this one, so you could turn it on. So there we go. This is the Samsung Galaxy A50s, and wow, it does look beautiful. So I got this one, so the same color that I got from the box. So I believe this one is the so it's the Prism Crush Green. I love the design of it. Look at the geometric patterns at the back of the smartphone. It does look beautiful, and it adds to the flair and beauty of the smartphone. Of course, inside we got here the earphones, and of course the USB-C to USB-A cable, and of course a 15 watts charger inside, and of course the card tray. So give me a few minutes as I set up the Samsung Galaxy A50. So I almost missed this. Is actually a box inside this part. So there's the quick start guide, warranty card, and also the jelly case. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Samsung Galaxy A50. As you can see here, we do got here a similar design to the Galaxy A50, except that we now have a geometric pattern at the back of the smartphone. So as you can see here, we do got here some patterns, but this one is actually almost the same material. It's like a laminated glass. I'm not sure what this is, but it's lightweight, similar to the Galaxy A50, but with different pattern. We also got here the triple lens camera, again similar to the Samsung Galaxy A50, but now we got here a 48 megapixel rear camera. So below the smartphone, we got here the USB-C along with the headphone jack and also the speaker grill. Yeah, you can see that one over there. There we go. On the other side, we got here the power button and also the volume rocker. And on the other side, we got here the card tray. And yes, there's nothing at the top. So we got here the always on display. It's a Super AMOLED display. It's an Infinity U. It's called the Infinity U because we got here the U notch at the top. So they also got the Infinity O, which is present on the Samsung Galaxy Note10 and the Samsung Galaxy S10 series. And then they also got the Infinity V on the A10 and the A20s. And finally, we got here the A50s with an Infinity U notch. As you can see here, we still got here a little bit of chin below. But overall, the Samsung Galaxy A50 does look fine to me. Look at that. It's still a beauty to me. Anyway, this one runs on the latest Android 9 Pie with One UI. You could see that over here. There we go. Android 9 with One UI version 1.5. Pretty nice, and so far it's pretty smooth. I mean, it's running on Exynos 9611. You might not be familiar with it. It's new, but this one is actually pretty great when it comes to performance. Not the best one in the mid-range class, but it will work just fine if you just want a long battery life, a pretty good game experience, and just a few apps and softwares. Anyway, you've seen the software. Now let's check out the applications that are included. So we got here the Galaxy Store. So compared to other smartphone manufacturers, their own app store, the Galaxy Store is pretty jam-packed. But of course, the Play Store is still the best one to download apps and games. Then of course, we got here pre-installed Netflix and Spotify. Of course, we do got here some of pre-installed applications like Samsung Max, Samsung 321, Samsung Global Goals, in where you could actually, this is a pretty cool app, in where you could actually help UNDP in their goals. You could help the poverty, alleviate poverty, and a lot more. Probably you could check out Samsung Global Goals at my website. And of course, Lazada Smart Tutor Game Launcher, and this one actually comes with AI Game Booster. There we go. But of course, we don't have the games right now, so I guess it's just fine with me. So yeah, this is the Galaxy A50s. But how about the camera of the smartphone? So let's try it out. So this is the camera app of the Samsung Galaxy A50. So as you can see here, we got here the wide-angle lens and the normal lens. We do not have a telephoto lens, unlike the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. So we still got here some of the cool features like Food Night, Panorama Pro, and also live focus mode. So we also got your photo, video. So this one can record videos up to 4K. So that is pretty good. You can record 4K videos on this smartphone. So we also got here the feature called Super Steady, in where you could get better stabilization. Of course, we got here super slow-mo, hyperlapse, and surprisingly, we got a cool feature in here that is present on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and it's AR Doodle. So you could actually doodle on my face. So let's use the front camera of the smartphone. You could actually doodle on my face, like here. And this one is actually, it actually has a pretty good AR tracking. You could see here. You could, wow, okay, fine. It's actually not as good as the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but the addition of AR Doodle feature on the Galaxy A50s is a really nice touch. So how about the camera quality? Well, I took some shots using the Samsung Galaxy A50s. So you could see here that I've used the wide-angle lens of the Samsung Galaxy A50s, and this one is pretty fine. We got a good dynamic range. Not the best one, but we got a really nice colors and a pretty fine wide-angle lens. It's actually better compared to the Samsung Galaxy A50. This one is using the regular lens, and this one is actually really great. The camera of the Galaxy A50s is really good. So this one is inside. Another one, so you could see here that the colors are just fine. And the shot is just okay. Not really good, but not that bad. The selfie of the smartphone has been upgraded. You can see that we got more details, it's sharper, it's better, and we got really nice colors. So yeah, I guess that's it for the camera of the Samsung Galaxy A50s. So the Galaxy A50s will be available soon. So this one is priced at 18,990. So yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course don't forget to check out my social media channels. You can check out the links below. So yeah, I guess that's it for our video. So see you guys again next time.